and welcome to this week's video. So this week I'm going to share with you some information and to sort of put you at ease about how much Flokatis you need to actually, run a few sessions, continually change the colors in your images and things like that. Because when we're starting out, we always tend to put a limiting belief that we need so much props, so much Flokatis to actually get started and bringing in clients and shooting these beautiful babies and their parents and their siblings. And sometimes, I've heard a lot of people that come into my studio, specifically photographers, say to me, well, you have a lot of Flokatis, I don't have a lot, my images look the same, all that sort of stuff. If you believe it or not, I started my business about 7.5 years ago, and I only had the beige Flokati, the natural looking color cream Flokati. So that's all I started with. These ones behind me, I only bought about a few months ago off a photographer who didn't want them anymore. And when I asked her why she didn't want them, she said to me she only uses 1 or 2 colors, and that's pretty much it. Now, I decided to buy a few just to, because I can, and I've been in business for such a long time, and I have the space to store them. But before that, I honestly only used the cream Flokati, the natural looking color. And then if I wanted to change it in Photoshop, I just did it there. But to save yourself some time editing, yes, it's good to have a variety, but this is currently all I used. So having less Flokatis will not only save you a lot of space, because as you can see, they are quite bulky. These are one of the bigger sizes, but I've just folded them so they actually fit into my, my cupboard. So they will save you space. So if you really want to get some, you can get the smaller ones, and they do a good job as well. They'll also save you a lot of money because these can be really expensive, especially the good quality ones. And yeah, so if you have a small space, I would suggest not more than 2 Flokatis. If you have a big space and you, like me, I was only using the cream one, then that's a good idea to only purchase what you really need. Now, Flokatis can come in different qualities. The ones I have are from an Australian supplier called Fabrics, and I'll link them in this video below. And also there's a lot of US suppliers as well, but as you guys know, I'm based in Australia, so they were the only best ones, and most photographers here use these suppliers as well. Now, all my Flokatis are roughly around 160 centimeters in width, and pretty much 160 by 180 or something like that. I will put the correct measurements of the larger sizes that I get as well on the blog or below this video. Now, other sizes I got as well is like a rectangular shape. Now, I only got those because these are the colors that I don't often use, and I got that size in the yellow and the green. So these are colors that are not often used. I mainly now use still my cream one that's on my beanbag at the moment, the blue for the boys or girls, and the pink for the girls as well. But these colors, I decided to get them in the rectangular shape, and I will put the correct measurements as well in the description of this video or over on the blog. And what I do is I use them for sibling shots. So I will put these obviously underneath the sibling and the newborn baby's head, and then just photograph them from the top, because you won't see the end of it and their body anyway. You usually see from their stomach up, and that's pretty much wide enough. So if you do want to buy Flokatis, but you think that the big ones are way too big, and you only pretty much need them for newborn shots or sibling shots, that smaller size is great to use. And I highly suggest looking at different sizes, like bigger round basket stuffers that usually don't fit in baskets. They're pretty much for underneath the basket. I use those as well, and you can see them right there behind me. I use those as well. So if you really want to splurge and spend on Flokatis, try and invest in different sizes, and that way they'll cost you less, and they'll take up less space as well. But this is pretty much all I need for now, and I'm not going to use anything else. So I have the larger purple, large pastel pink, the blue, and in the rectangle size I have the yellow and green. And these ones I also got from another supplier, which I'll link below as well. She is an Australian supplier, and I'll write her details and her and these sizes as well in this video, below this video or on the blog. So that's pretty much what I use for Flokatis. But if you are just starting, I would highly recommend you go and invest in a cream or natural color, a common color that you think that will suit your workflow, your image style, and also that you would commonly use, like the natural one. And you can start using that, and if you're good with Photoshop, or maybe go search for a tutorial where you can do color change, and you can actually change the color to whatever color you want of the Flokati in whatever image. So you can do that in Photoshop, and trust me, that will not only save you a lot of money, save you space, and then as you get better doing that color change, it'll just be easy like any other image edit. So think about that when you're starting and you want to go buy out Flokatis. Don't go spending a lot of money buying them. Try and think, if you were to buy them, what the common colors you'd use. So if I was to do this all over again, I would probably buy the blue and the pink rather than the neutral. But in saying that, neutral is always good as well, because you do get clients that want the neutral, neutral images as well. So that's why I say always start with a neutral cream Flokati. So all the links and all the measurements and all the supplies that I've mentioned here today is below this video. If you're watching this somewhere else, head on over to the blog, thephotographersociety.com, and check out the blog with all the links there. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about Flokatis, suppliers, sizes, colors, the color change, let me know and I will answer them for you. I'll catch you guys next week in another video. Take care.